Hello and welcome back everyone to our another episode of Enhancements in ABAP Programming. So in our earlier episode we discussed about the customer exit and how we can implement the concept of function module exit by finding out the exit and we saw the steps and implementation of it. In this episode let's discuss that what if I want to perform changing the standard or enhancing the standard data elements. Yes, changing or enhancing the standard data elements. Okay, so first of all let's understand here. Let's take a requirement first, then we will come to it for better understanding. I will simply open my SAP system and I will go there. I am going to Mara table here, material master header table, and I am opening in material type. This is the one. If I check the label here, what I can see, heading is a 4-character material type, long here is material type, medium here is material type, and short here is material type. Correct. If I open my mm01 screen, I can see the same label here, material type, same to same label. This medium or long label, it is being displayed here. Correct. What if I say so field labels are maintained, one thing I can say, are maintained in the field level section of the data elements, and we can modify them based on our requirement and use cases. We can modify them based on our requirement, yes, and use cases. For example, as we can see it here, there is the one. So enhancement gives us here, enhancement allows us to update these field labels of the data elements. It allows us to do so. So how we are going to do? First of all, we will follow the steps. Step 1, steps for its implementation. For this implementation, step 1 is going to be, we will go to the CMOD transaction code. Go to the CMOD transaction code. And for now, what I'm doing is I'm taking this screenshot here so that we can do the comparison. I'll just take this screenshot here and I'm putting it down here. So go to the CMOD transaction code and I will go directly to the CMOD here, CMOD. Then we can simply click on the edit option or go here, you see. Okay, click on go to text enhancement keyword, and there you see this is the option here. So click on go to, then text enhancement. Step 2, we can go for click on go to and then text enhancement. Yeah. Then our text enhancement. Then we can go for the keyword section. So keyword followed by change. This we can use. Okay. Automatically it is going to ask your data element name. So it will ask the data element name. Here step 3. It will ask the data element name and we will pass the data element for it. to for its implementation. Okay, so I'll show you this. Go to text element keyword and change. There it is. So I'm giving here my material type MTART and I'll press enter. There you see data element, and you can see here the label, the sort field label. Go back and check here. Sort field label material type, medium field label is material type, long field label is material type, and heading here is MTYP, and description is also, you see here, material type. What if I want to show something else? For example, I'm showing giving my name directly here just for you, so you this I'm giving you. That's what I want to show here. Yeah, that's what I want to show here in this case. So I'm giving this name here. Okay, I'll click on save button. It will ask for the request. I'm using my request here. Click on OK. Data element material type activated asynchronously. So now if I go back and I simply refresh here mm01. Okay, it did not reflected here. Let me check it again. Our material type, it did not reflected. Let me get back. Go to keyword, change. Okay, it did not got saved. Let me just change it again. All right, save it. Click on OK. Click on OK. 1 second. Why it's not saving? Save it. Yeah. All right. I'll go back again and I'll check it. Let me just check it. Yeah, there you see. Now it is done. So now if I go to our MM01 and if I simply come here and refresh it, all right, it's not reflecting again. Same thing it is showing. Here it got saved, but it's not reflecting there any region. Okay, let me open a new screen. So now once we will refresh it, we are going to see the change has been applied, correct? You see here, Amrit material it is showing. So I can simply go back to C mode and I will go to the change. So click on go to and I'll go to the keyword, change our material type, and I'll restore the original text given by SAP, which is material type itself. I will click on the save button, pass the request, and it is done. So if we go to S11 back, S11, and if I now check the data element here, which is material type, display, label. So again, it's yet not reflected. So let me go back and check it. So change trail type. Okay, it is still the same here. I'm saving it, clicking on OK button. Yeah. So I'll come here again and I'm going to recheck it down. Still no change. All right. Why it's doing going there? Restore and click on save. Same thing, it is still there. Okay, save it down. Yeah, now it is done. So it is it started to reflect. I think it is taking some time to reflect in the system. No problem. So it is ready to go. So if we now go back to the system and let me check. So display button and label, there it is. And if I'll go to our here mm01 section, I'll refresh it. mm0. Here it is taking again some time to refresh, but after some time it will be refreshed automatically. So I'll go back. Yeah, it is taking some time yet. No issue, but it will be refreshed within few seconds here also. So I'll come, go to change. Yeah, looks good. It's good. So let me check it again. Yeah, it is taking some time, but since here it is reflecting within some moment there also it will reflect. That's how you can change here your standard field, though it is not recommended, but something you can do in your S4HANA system also. That's what I wanted to show. So thank you very much for this episode on the enhancements in ABAP programming, and I will see you in the next episode for some more learning. Bye bye.